What's going on YouTube? Murdercase back here, bringing you guys a wonderful Prius video for y'all today. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Let me situate myself, but I'm gonna give you an outside look at the car, guys. I'm gonna need that. Anyways, guys, it's a beautiful day. Just cleaned the Prius too. Looks really good. My headlights got cleaned. Let me fix a bumper. Kind of just, I don't even know what to do about that. Guys, it looks super clean. Super happy with it so far. This is for all my Prius viewers out there. Shout out to you guys. Y'all are awesome. Oh my gosh, shit is just dropping. Anyways, let's get this video started, guys. Got the GoPro strapped on me, and we're gonna go drive. Well, guys, it's a beautiful day outside right now. Hopefully there's no traffic. So you got the BMW. And we're off, guys. It's a little acceleration. I feel like this thing makes more noise than my BMW. Anyways, guys, this thing's awesome. If you see my other Prius videos, I give it a lot of love. It's been a great car. Definitely the perfect second daily driver. So like, I recommend having like a sports car and then like a Prius. I really recommend it. It just complements each other very well. Like, if I need to go do some errands, right, the BMW only gets 20 miles per gallon. This gets 50. But I drive a little bit fast, so I kill the gas mileage, but still, it does such a good job. It really does. Saves me a lot of money traveling. I wonder what everyone's thinking of this guy with the camera on his head. Anyways, I've just been enjoying, you know, driving and making these YouTube videos for y'all. So please help me out while I help you guys out by liking this video, subscribing to my channel if you've not already. Look at that Aston Martin, that was beautiful. Probably gonna get an Aston Martin because my last name is Martin, and that's always been something I thought of, you know, the Martin name. So definitely look out for the future, maybe like a DB12 or something like that. It'd be interesting. I think I'm turning right. Oh, not this one, the next one. I guess that's a residential. I don't know what that was. Let's go down this little residential area. But guys, I love cruising in this thing with the windows down. Something about it, I don't know what it is, but I guess Prius and windows down are just a really nice combo. Also, as you can see, I'm just using the battery. It's another advantage over the BMW. I mean, it has a battery and electric motor, so you are conserving gas, especially in traffic. The BMW to me is more becoming like just a weekend car, something like that. It is a really good daily driver, but you need the money for it to be a daily driver. And I'll be honest with you guys watching, I don't have the money yet, quote yet, to daily drive, you know, the BMW. But soon I will. I've been working and hustling, guys, and, you know, trying to make this content for y'all. So if you would not mind just dropping a like, commenting down below what you guys want to see next. That helps me out, helping you guys out. And, you know, another topic I want to talk about today is just, you know, enjoying yourself, keeping your body in good shape. I just went to the gym earlier, hit the steam room. If you guys have access to a steam room, I highly recommend it. Really cleanses the body, opens up those lungs. Even my skin feels better too. I don't know how to describe it, but steam room is really cool. It's kind of bougie. I'm paying like $130 to get that gym membership, but the health is so worth it. Treat your body like your temple or whatever, and trust me guys, you'll thank me later, honestly. I'm not saying you guys aren't, but just keep that in mind. But this is a beautiful road, guys. I mean, this area is so beautiful. Absolutely just gorgeous. I love the looks of it. I love the trees, the bushes, the grass. It just looks so unique. Any other state I'm in does not look like this. Only Maryland really looks like this. And that's where I currently reside. Shout out anyone else in Maryland. It's a great state. But guys, it's just been such a crazy year, hasn't it? I mean, past 2 years, ever since the pandemic started, I've really been able to focus on my YouTube channel, and I'm super grateful too, because I'm meeting more of the community. People are commenting, watching my videos, and I'm so appreciative for all that. But anyways, I think we're getting up to a road. I don't know what road this is. It has just been such a beautiful drive so far, guys. Probably gonna do some videos in the BMW too. If you have not already, go watch my BMW content that I've gathered or made with. I think you guys would really enjoy it. Kind of like this style of video, but it's in the BMW, and it gives you a different like feel, literally. Cause that one's just it has 230 horsepower. This one only has 100, so it's twice the power of a Prius and that BMW, which is really cool to experience and drive. And I still love this thing. I mean, I used to hate on it, but now having two cars, I really appreciate this car even more. So just because it really does help me out, and I'm forever grateful for it. Honestly, this thing has helped me out a ton. Helps me make money, helps me get around places. I've been doing DoorDash. If you guys have DoorDash with a Prius, I'm telling you, you'll be profiting, just because the gas mileage is so low, or like just the cost of gas is so low. Yeah, it's just been great. It's just been such a great car to me, and I'm so happy. And also, guys, that's what also I want to else bring up too, is just be happy with what you have. I mean, literally, I cannot stress that enough. Like, be grateful for your home, be grateful for your car, even though it might not be a Ferrari or a mansion or whatever, guys. And women and girls, I mean, I see the statistics. There's some females out there. Shout out all the females watching me. But back to what I was saying, just always remember, just be grateful of what you have, because really, once you lose something, it's like already too late, if that makes sense. Like if you had a car and you never appreciate it and you lose it, you're gonna really appreciate even more after the fact that it's gone, just because you had it and all that. But I'm not trying to get super philosophical with everyone, just want to put that out there. Some good vibes. You know me, some good vibes. But I have just been grinding this, and hopefully, I know it will work out in the end. I really do. Not trying to be cocky or anything, but I really enjoy the YouTube grind, and I enjoy making these videos, and I feel like really one day that this will be my full-time job. Or full-time work, you know, just making videos for everybody. The scenery has just been absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I mean, look, the people that live out here too, my goodness, they are very fortunate. But I am so grateful, guys. I don't want to bore you guys too much. I'll talk for a little bit more, but it's just been such a wonderful ride and journey along this whole thing, guys, and you know, I'm super grateful. super grateful. I don't want to bore you with this guy right here, but like this video, guys, for me, please. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. My name's Murdicus, and I'm out. Peace.